Hello, I'm back again with one more tip towards parenting. Today I'm going to share with you the tip which make profound and long lasting difference in your children's future and career. That is, before that we'll understand what it is, what exactly it is. Right from the birth till the child completes 18 years, child will receive around 5 lakh negative strokes. What are these negative strokes? Do you know? We are built by those thoughts. And that is what we are giving to our kids also. What are those? The most of our statements and sentence begin with don't. Don't scream, don't run, don't jump. So these are all the don'ts will allow the child to think about it. For example, right now I will ask you, don't think about Taj Mahal. So what's there in your head right now? You're thinking about it, right? The same way, whenever we give this kind of signals, the children will receive those thoughts, those noun or the word, then they will hang for it. If you ask the child not to watch television, you are giving a signal to a child that there is one option where you can watch television. If you are giving a signal the child not to scream, you are giving an option. There is a screaming is an option. You are giving that. So instead of that, what is to be done? Talk quietly. Instead of asking not to watch television, tell them what is to be done. For example, this is the time where you need to spend for reading. Ask him for writing. Ask him for do any drawing. Or child may not do it in the first attempt. After few days of your positive strokes will make child to think about it. That's why there is one saying, thought become things. So allow your child to think positive. By that, child will practice the positive of it. Why? Why this negativity? Negativity is nothing but a coding. When you give a signal, it goes inside the brain and it will be coding. It codes. It fixes in the brain. And if you want to decode it, it takes a long time. I'm going to give you 2 examples, then I'm close my talk. First example is, when child turns 1.5 years, you are giving a signal to a child. When child turns maybe 12 months or 15 months, child understand that my knee joint or thigh muscles are fit enough now. Now I can stand. The moment child decides, understands I can stand, child will do an attempt. Once the child understands I can stand, definitely child won't walk. Child start running in the home. So we being an adult, seniors of the house, maybe grandparents or parents will start telling to the child, will scream sometime and tell not to run. Not to run. You know what? When you say not to run, in that age, child will understand, we don't say only not to run. Along with that, we say something. If you run, you will fall. If you fall, you will injure. You may broke your bone, something like that. Then we'll start, child will understand running is a danger. Running causes damage. So better not to run. Same way, I'm going to tell you the impact of it. Same way, child turns maybe 2.5 years or 3 years. Child want to attempt everything. A child want to touch everything. Maybe whatever is available in the home. Like that, there is one more device which we call it as a pen. So child want to touch the pen and try with that what exactly it is. Nowadays it may be a mobile, but even though child will touch the pen. When child touch the pen, then child want to do the experiment with it. Maybe child may open the pen and child may close the pen, then it may start writing. See that there is some miracles is happening. Now something is happening after some action. Child don't know about that. We say that it's writing. Pen writes. So child start. It's a fun for the child. Child will take the pen and it will open and it will draw anything and anywhere, circles, lines on the wall, on the bed sheet, on the table, or maybe plate, or maybe on the cloth, maybe on the body. When we say, sometimes initially we may laugh at it, and after a few days we'll start, because the wall is getting dirt and the cloth is looking bad, suddenly what we start saying, don't run, don't write. So don't write, and sometimes we may punish. Child will understand writing is a punishment. Now the same child turns into 4.5-year-old. We plug them to school. And if there is some assignment or some homework in the school, write alphabets. Child will not take it, curiously and start working on it. Child will start refusing it. Why? Because there is already a coding saying that writing is a punishment. Once it is coded, to decode it, you need to put a lot of effort. For example, in software industry, coding is, decoding is expensive than coding, right? So it takes a time. Here, elders of the home, teachers, everybody need to put a lot of effort to make child to writing independently. It requires not less than 5 years. Can you see? Coding is easy, decoding takes a long time. Same way, one more thing, as I said, running. Don't run. There is some event in the school, maybe it's a sports event. In that event, there is a running competition, maybe 100-meter running, and teacher will take his name or her name, child's name. Then child may participate, may not. Most of the time may not participate and feel that I'm not comfortable to run. I'm not fit enough to run, because the impact of coding is so strong, child will not attempt even to run. Maybe child may scared to run. That's why we have few people in Olympics. So this is a time we need to understand, give a positive stroke instead of that. So with this, I am going to conclude my talk. Thank you very much for listening. Jai Hind.